Look at that view. What a bitchin' view that is of the Alps, flying over on the way from Milan to Zurich. That is so cool. Makes you want to get extreme. And suddenly you feel like this plane should be higher. Feels like I could like put my foot down and touch the top of those peaks, those Alp mountains there. That is some badass looking stuff right there. You don't see this kind of stuff every day, so I'm soaking it up. Alright. No more. Gotta roll. Gotta fly.